I worked in GM Korea, which is right outskirts of Seoul. And I had a chance to work in GM Australia, which is Holden. And I guess I also had an internship in Honda when I was in university. And also now I had an internship in Bentley, and I work in Bentley, but also had an internship in Nissan London, which is Nissan Design Europe. So out of all those places I've worked for, I guess it comes down to a Western culture and an Eastern culture, I would say. Because I'm feeling Nissan NDE, London and Bentley and Australia Holden, the atmosphere is pretty much quite similar. Opposed to that is Japan and Korea. It has a really strict hierarchy, so it's more like almost like a military kind of facility, which I've been to because I'm South Korean. I had to do the military service, and I know how it is. And it's very different because in the Western culture, it's very much individual play. So if you do a good design, you get to be chosen by that, and you just plow on like that individually. Of course, you work with other people inside the company, but it's very individual. The difference in Korea or Japan and other British or Australian Western is the way, I would say, you treat the elderly in your society, because it is such a very strong difference. Let's say I go to my next door neighbor, which is way older than me, and I say, "Hi, John," or "Hi, Stuart." It's very casual. It's very, you still have respect for them. I mean, as human beings, but not just because they're old. Whereas in the Asian society, it's very strict that you should appreciate the elderly, and it's that kind of notion that's inside your brain, and there's a specific different way you talk to an elder person and way you talk to your friends and younger people, and that's quite similar in the car industry, or whatever kind of industry that you work in. That kind of same thing happens. So you're working with your friends in a Western culture, but you're kind of working with your uncles, let's say, and they take care of you somehow. Say you were on this project, let's say it's a small wheel project, like a very small project. It's a, say, 18-inch wheel that you need to design. In a Western culture, you would get an engineering package and you just design, and with, of course, your help from your managers and directors, and you develop it on your own almost, but you do get help. But almost in the Asian culture, it is almost the person right above or the above is their kind of responsibility to bring you up to speed and kind of help you get along with the project. So it is mandatory for Asian people to do that, but it's not mandatory for the Western culture to do that in a car design team. I had the taste of both. Both are quite good, but it's different.